Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Drug combo cuts death risk from advanced prostate cancer. Break and number 148, a powerful new drug combo has yielded a major breakthrough for men battling an aggressive form of prostate cancer. Break adding the drug enzalutamide to standard hormone therapy reduced the risk of premature death by more than 40% in patients whose prostate cancer had returned, a large international clinical trial has found. Break the findings were simultaneously published in the New England Journal of Medicine and presented Sunday at a meeting of the European Society for Medical Oncology in Berlin. Break the trial focused on patients with what's called high-risk biochemically recurrent prostate cancer. These are men who have already undergone surgery or radiation therapy, but whose blood tests show a rapid, concerning rise in prostate-specific antigen, PSA, levels. Break greater than a rapid increase in PSA indicates the cancer is highly likely to come back and spread quickly, often to the bones or spine. Break and number 156, after initial treatment, some patients see their prostate cancer come back in an aggressive way and are at risk for their disease to spread quickly, and number 157, said researcher Dr. Stephen Friedland, director of the Center for Integrated Research in Cancer and Lifestyle at Cedars-Sinai Cancer in Los Angeles. Break for decades, the standard approach for these patients has been hormone therapy alone, which aims to reduce testosterone, and number 148, a fuel for prostate cancer. Break, but this approach has not consistently improved overall survival. Break and number 156, hormone therapy, which is what we've been offering patients for 30 years, has not improved survival, and neither has anything else. That makes these findings a real game changer, and number 157, Friedland said in a news release. Break the trial involved more than 1,000 patients from 244 sites across 17 countries, making the results applicable to a diverse global population. Break participants were randomly placed into one of three groups. One received standard hormone therapy, leuprolide, alone. A second group received enzalutamide alone, and the third group received both standard hormone therapy and enzalutamide. Break over an 8-year follow-up, the survival benefit of the combo therapy was clear. Break compared to the two other groups, patients who received the combination T-speak therapy had a 40.3% lower risk of premature death. Break in all, researchers reported serious adverse events linked to the drug trial in 8.5% of patients who received the combo, 2.5% treated with leuprolide, and 7.6% in the enzalutamide-only group. Break the 8-year overall survival was 78.9% in the combination group, and statistically similar in the leuprolide-alone group, 69.5%, and the enzalutamide-alone group, 73.1%. Break and number 156, this clinical trial, one of many that Cedars-Sinai Cancer has offered to its patients, is an example of the translational work being done by our physician scientists, said Dr. Robert Figlin, interim director of Cedars-Sinai Cancer. The result will be improved treatment and better outcomes for patients everywhere. And number 157. Break enzalutamide is already approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for use in other prostate cancer settings. Break these latest findings are expected to strengthen treatment guidelines, solidifying the combination therapy as the new standard of care for men facing this aggressive cancer, Friedland noted. Break sources: Cedars-Sinai Medical Center, news release, October 19, 2025. The New England Journal of Medicine, October 19, 2025. Break disclaimer: statistical data in medical articles provide general trends and do not pertain to individuals. Individual factors can vary greatly. Always seek personalized medical advice for individual healthcare decisions. Break and copy, 2025 Health Day. All rights reserved. Break Ad as a preferred source on Google. More news resources for MedWatch. Drug alerts daily. Med news. News for health professionals. New drug approvals. New drug applications. Drug shortages. Clinical trial results. Generic drug approvals. Subscribe to our newsletter. Break whatever your topic of interest. Subscribe to our newsletters to get the best of drugs.com in your inbox. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.